What's up, guys? Tyler at RC Madness. A couple of cars came in today. Going to do a couple of videos. They are both Traxxas, and I'm sure you can guess which ones. First, we're going to go ahead and open the new Bronco. Check it out, guys. Traxxas coming out with another new body. A couple new features too. First delivery, Traxxas getting it to us. Obviously, the newest thing is the body with this truck, but also the way that they're mounting the body is different. More or less the same truck. Sorry about the glare with the lights. Let's see if I can turn it sideways here. My tripod not working today, so we're just freestyling. I was too excited, so I'd show you. Go over some of the features here. Check that out. So it's all mostly cosmetic stuff here. Like I said, the mounting system is different. There are new rims. Tires appear to be the same. This is the first time I'm seeing it too, guys. We got fender wells with this kit. Electronics look the same. This one does come with the locking diffs and the 2-speed. And there's a little sneak peek at the body watch, which we will check out. See what else we got on the box here. Just another shot of the car. Colors, looks like we got the orange one here, Cyber Orange. And they have Rapid Red as well. Another side shot. If there's anything on the bottom of the box here, let's check it out. Of course, oh, we're upside down. Just your basic Traxxas stuff on the box here. Speed control. You're getting into the box. Everything you'd expect from a Traxxas TRX4 at this point. Compatible with this, recommended batteries. Full function LED kit. Nothing you wouldn't expect from Traxxas. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the plastic off of this, pull it out of the box, and we'll check it out of the box here real quick. And we're back. Got the truck out. It comes with everything you expect from Traxxas. Instruction manual, basic tools, stickers. Comes with a nice TQI radio with all the switches, of course, because it has the 2-speed. We all know, we're all familiar with that radio. And then the truck came with the saran wrap all wrapped around it here. I just took that off real quick. Still got some on there. Looks good. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but this color does have a bit of a metallic in it. Rims are pretty glossy. I do like the look of these. They look a little bit better than the stock TRX4 ones, I would have to say. The body, lots of nice detail on it with the fender flares. We got some detailing there. Grill looks really good with these lights. Winch, tow hooks. Skid plate goes underneath here. The mirrors do fold in and out, which is kind of cool. We got the scale windshield wipers. Traxxas really getting scale with it on this body as usual. Spare tire. Scale hitch, obviously. We've seen that on previous models. Little Bronco logo. New bumpers. All in all, really nice looking truck here, guys. Now the body comes off. I kind of need 2 hands for it, but I'll try. You actually reach, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little latch right here under the fender well. You kind of pull it back with your finger and push up. You can kind of see the body. So you kind of pop up here when I do it. Here, I'll see if I can get it. It pops up on that side. Ideally, you would do it with 2 hands and just lift up all at once, but it is actually so easy. I can do all 4 with 1 hand here, which is pretty cool. Obviously, this is coming to more models than just this, so actually a really nice setup there. Super easy to get on and off. Check those out. Full cage. You can see where they mount in the fender wells. So it looks like you'll have to run fender wells in order to use this kind of body with the on and off easy. I don't see a way to use it with shock towers, but All in all, looks really good. I do like it better than axial setup with the clips underneath. I found that to be kind of a pain. This looks super easy. Let's see if I can get it back on. But first, we'll just give you a quick look at what's under the hood here. Nothing you wouldn't expect from Traxxas TRX4. Just the regular brushed electronics. Nothing too fancy and new under the hood here. Mostly just a body and cosmetic change setup. Let's check out this body. Let's see if I can get it back on with one hand here. Just grabbing it by the back wheel here. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than that. One-handed. I mean, come on. That was pretty cool. And obviously, no clips, no posts showing. Really cleans up the look. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That is the new Bronco. We will be getting these in stock, so check it out. We do have another video coming at you here. Another Traxxas car. So I'll see you in that video. Have a good day, guys. Bye.